Construction of a multi-lane roundabout at the intersections of Route 6, 322, 19, and 98 in Crawford County have begun. This area is known as the Big I. The project will be completed in 6 phases. The first phase is already underway. It includes drainage work along the southwest quadrant, the southeast quadrant, and the northeast quadrant. The second phase will move into the southeast quadrant and construct some of the permanent roadway on the southern section of the roundabout. The third phase will move into work on SR 19 headed north approaching the roundabout. In the fourth phase, the majority of the roundabout will be constructed, and this is when SR 98 will be detoured. Phase 4 will include the construction of the splinter islands on all 4 quadrants, and phase 5 will include grading, final grading, and all sidewalk work outside the roadway. Access to all businesses in the area of the Big I will be maintained throughout all phases of the project. For more information on the project, you can go online to PennDOT.gov/Big I Roundabout or follow along on Twitter through #Big I Roundabout.